In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Square. And here's the key takeaway right up front. At the moment, Klarna isn't a built-in payment option you can simply turn on inside Square. Square's own documentation lists cards and certain digital wallets at checkout, and for buy now, pay later, it partners with an installment service called ClearPay in select regions. There's no native Klarna toggle in Square's payment settings, which means Klarna won't appear in your Square checkout by default, and third-party Klarna add-ons generally won't work through Square's standard payment flow. So what can you do right now if you want to offer flexible payments on a Square-based store? The first and most straightforward path is to use Square's supported BNPL option where it's available. If your business is in a region where Square offers ClearPay, that's the official route designed to replicate much of what people expect from BNPL. Check your Square dashboard and help documentation for availability and setup. When enabled, customers will see an installment option directly in the Square checkout, which keeps your inventory, fulfillment, and reporting under one roof. As with any payment method, review fees, settlement timelines, and refund handling so you understand how it affects your cash flow and policies. If ClearPay isn't offered in your region, or you specifically need Klarna, a second option is to run a separate checkout that supports Klarna and link to it from your main site. This could be a dedicated product page or cart hosted on a platform that integrates Klarna, with clear calls to action directing shoppers there. It's workable, but it comes with trade-offs. You'll likely manage inventory in two places, reconcile orders across systems, and maintain consistent pricing, taxes, and shipping rules. To reduce friction, label the path clearly, test the handoff from your site to the Klarna-enabled checkout, and make sure order confirmation and customer communication stay consistent. Finally, keep an eye on updates. Payment ecosystems evolve, and providers expand partnerships over time. If Square adds support for Klarna or additional BNPL partners in the future, you can revisit your setup and transition to a native option that fits directly into the Square payment flow. To wrap up, Klarna isn't something you can add natively to Square today. Your practical choices are to use Square's supported installment option where available, or run a separate Klarna-enabled checkout alongside Square with careful planning. Either way, communicate clearly at checkout, test your experience end-to-end, and monitor your metrics so your flexible payment option truly helps customers without creating operational headaches.